Hi, I'm Simon Gillis, Technical Sales Manager at Autodesk, a world leader in 3D design, engineering and entertainment software for people who make anything. As our business transforms, we have a lot of open headcounts, and one happens to be in my Northern Europe architecture, engineering and construction team. I'm looking for a pre-sales technical specialist who can understand the business needs of our customers and help convey the value of our solutions to meet those needs. The role is based in the Nordics, preferably in Sweden or Eastern Denmark, and you will need to be fluent in English and one Nordic language. So what type of person am I looking for? Well, certainly you'll be someone with a passion for technology and have a curiosity to how you can apply technology to customer workflows. You need to be open to change and be enthusiastic to drive change within our customers. You'll definitely be a self-starter with initiative who can bring fresh ideas and own their part of the business. But it's also important that you're able to work collaboratively within a team and also with multifunctional teams across Europe and the globe. The role does require travel across the Nordic region, with some occasional travel in Europe and the US. If you have concerns about travel, happy to put you in touch with a member of my team who can explain the amount they do and also what a typical working week may look like. Finally, you need to be confident in presenting, both in person and remotely. So Autodesk is definitely a recognized great place to work. We have a comprehensive total rewards package. We have plenty of opportunity for self-development, but also we're working hard to build a diverse and inclusive workforce. If this interests you, absolutely apply for the role. Please do so via the website. I've put the link up on the screen. Or if you'd just like an informal conversation first off with myself, please contact me directly via LinkedIn. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much.